Deliberative describes people who take great care in the choices that they make. It's an executing theme. It really is about moving things forward, but not just for the sake of getting them done. People with high deliberative want to make sure that when they take that first step, it is going to minimize any potential risk and really be a safe and secure and stable way to proceed. If you have high deliberative, learn how you do your best planning and then feed your need for the opportunity to do that planning. That might mean that you've got great thought partners who can help you think about opportunities or risks or options that you might not think about otherwise. It also might mean that you've got credible sources to help you consider any of the potential pitfalls you'll need to understand before moving forward. Ask for the time that you need ahead of time in order to feel really confident that you have developed the best, safest way to proceed.